Hi guys, welcome to BPrep where we whiteboard quant questions appeared in previous year papers. Before we start with the question, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel to get updates on latest videos if you are preparing for any of the competitive exams. Let's start. You travel by Delhi Metro every day from Botanical Garden, Noida to Haus Khas, Delhi. At Haus Khas metro station, you use an escalator to get out of the station. The escalator takes 80 seconds. One day the escalator was not working. Okay, so there is an escalator, let's say, and escalator takes 80 seconds. Okay, so it's fine. Okay, we can write 80 seconds. I'll show you two approach how to solve these types of problems. One day the escalator was not working and you walked up the escalator in 50 seconds. Okay, so the escalator was not working and you walked up the escalator in 50 seconds. How many minutes does it approximately take you to walk down the working escalator? Okay, so this is given. The speed of escalator is 80 seconds. Like the escalator takes 80 seconds, and if escalator is not working, it takes you to walk up the escalator in 50 seconds. So the thing is, important thing to note here is this is given your up speed, and we need to find out the time taken to walk down the walking escalator. Okay, we need to find out the time taken to walk down the walking escalator when you and escalator both are running. Okay, so see, my first approach will be let's say in this escalator there are total 80 steps. So we are gonna see two ways. So let's say there are total 80 steps. Okay, and then escalator, it takes 80 seconds for escalator to complete it. So speed of escalator is 1 step per second. Okay, and when you are walking up, when the escalator is not working and you are walking up, you take 50 seconds. Okay, so you take 50 seconds to cover 80 steps. That means your up speed is 80 by 50 steps per second. Okay, so when you will be walking down, your the total time taken will be time equals to distance by speed. Okay, what is distance in this case? So we have assumed that distance is 80. So it is not necessary that distance will always be in meters or in kilometers. It can be in steps also. And if you write units in this formula, you will see the unit will ultimately get cancelled. So it does not matter. But in the second approach, we will even see by assuming the distance in meters, okay, or in kilometers. So we'll see that. So here distance is 80 steps. We can omit the units, but still I'll write it so you can see the units will get cancelled themselves. So distance is 80 steps, and now the speed. So this time, the time that we need to calculate is based on when escalator is working and you are also running. Okay, so when escalator is going upward and you are coming downwards, your effective speed will be your speed minus escalator speeds, because when you are coming down, escalator is coming up. So your effective speed will be your speed, which is 80 by 50 steps per second, minus the speed of escalator is 1 step per second. Okay. So you see, the reason to put these units was now steps in the numerator and denominators will get cancelled, and we will have only seconds. So we'll get the time in a unit of seconds. Okay, so now solving this, it will be 80 by 80 minus 50 minus 1. So this will be 30 by 50. Okay, so this 0 0 will get cancelled. We'll have 400 by 3. Okay, so 400 by 3 is seconds. If we divide it by 60 further, we'll get in minutes. 23. So this is 20 by 9, or we can say this is 2.2 minutes. Okay, so here by dividing it by 60, we converted seconds into minutes. So the correct answer is 2.2 minutes. Now the second method, if you cannot visualize the steps, though it is easier to visualize and calculate in terms of steps, we can also assume some length. Okay, so let's say the length of this skeleton or the length of this path is L meters. Okay, we can ignore steps. Let's say the length was L meters total. So in that case, the time taken by you will be what? Distance is L here. And now the effective speed. So your speed is, you are covering this L in 50 seconds. So your speed is L by 50 meters per second. Okay, so this is L meters. Your speed is L by 50 meters per second, minus skeleton is taking 80 seconds to complete to cover this L meters. So speed of skeleton is L by 80 meters per second. Okay, so now if you solve this, we'll have this L will get cancelled in the numerator and denominator, and we'll have 8. If you take LCM, 80 and 50, it will be 4000. Okay, 4000 by 80L minus 50L, it will be 30L. So it is 4000 by 30 seconds. So if you see, this is same expression that we get here. Okay, so answer will be same. So you can either assume steps or you can assume meter, does not matter in this case. Okay, thanks for watching this video. If you have any doubts or questions, please post in comments, and guys, please do subscribe to the channel by clicking the subscribe button below to get updates on latest videos. Thank you.